Hi, hi, hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, hi, good morning. No one is saying anything. Good morning, good morning, good morning. No one said anything till now. Good morning, good morning, good morning. क्या हो गया भाई, जिंदा हो या गए? Good morning, Ruchita. Good morning, Meena Kumari. Good morning, Virat Kohli. Good morning, Padmanabham Sura. Good morning, Vaishnavi. Good morning. Good morning, Umesh Chetan. Good morning, Amita. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Bagunara. Bagunara. Everyone, Manchi at home. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah. Bagunara. Everyone, Manchi at home. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah. Everyone Manchi at home. Very good, very good. No problem, no problem. Yeah. Yes, sir. Okay. So what's going on at home? क्या हो रहा है घर पे? What's going on? Everyone is Manchi at home. So what's going on? I'm also good. Directly proportional. If students are Manchi, teacher will be also Manchi. Direct relation between student and teacher is directly proportional. Miru Manchi, Nenu Manchi. Nenu Manchi, Miru Manchi. No problem. Yeah. Bura Vanna is saying, sir, feeling helpless. Helpless for what? Vinita is asking, how are you? Manchi. No problem. Yeah. Vanna is saying, feeling helpless. What to feel helpless? Come on. It's your hard work. Do that hard work. This year you may not be getting seat. Next year you'll get the best medical college. Yeah. Right now, Masood is saying hero. Are Nenu hero, Miru hero. So that's why I said you directly proportional. No problem. Yeah. So shall we start with the class? Shuru kare. Everyone is making notes now because actual preparation for NEET 2026 has been started. So everyone has to make perfect notes. There is a problem in online. Students just listen the class. They don't be focused. They don't write the notes. And if you don't write the notes, you will regret after 2-3 months. When you need to revise the chapter, you'll have nothing to revise. So that's why writing notes is very important. So I think everyone is writing. Everyone writing notes. एक बार बता दो भाई. Everyone is making perfect notes because at some point of time you may come for offline also, so that time you must have the notes. No problem. Yeah. So everyone is saying yes sir, we are making the notes. No problem. People are sending this symbol also. No problem. That is also okay. No problem. Yeah. And I think in last class we were talking about differentiation. We studied about meaning of differentiation. So many things we studied in the last class, and then we also studied rule number 1 for differentiation, that is differentiation of x to the power n. And I think everyone remembered x to the power n differentiation will come n x to the power n minus 1. Everyone remember rule number 1 done? Rule number 1 done? I'm not exactly remembering. Offline classes are started, bhai. Crazy Sai, you are crazy. At least you should know what is going in the world. Offline classes started from 12th. From 12th, we have started offline class. Same syllabus will go. Same syllabus will go in online also. Better. If you want to come in offline, come early. Because after coming also, it will take 5-10 days to settle down. So that's why coming early is important. Coming early, for example, you will see in cricket also. If Indian team has to play the World Cup, it's not like that the day when match is there, that day only they will go in that country to play the World Cup. Before that, they go 1 week before. That's why practice match is done before the final, before the actual matches start. So if you are planning to come for offline, don't wait for more time. Online will not stop, online will continue, but it will continue in app. After a few days, once app will be everything, everyone number will be added in the app. Classes will not go in online throughout the year. After 1 week, this week, I think next week we will start on our Sri Gosalites app. No problem. Yeah. Time is less. We have to complete differentiation also. No problem. So we studied rule number 1 of differentiation. Shall we start with rule number 2? Rule number 2 start kar de bhai. Rule number 1 I point the rule number 2 we have to start. Shall we start? You have to be little energetic. You have to tell me answer fast. Otherwise, I will keep on asking. Shall we start? Shall we start? No problem, no problem. Yeah. So let's start with rule number, and today our target will be to cover up all the rules of differentiation. All the rules of differentiation, our target, because next week we are planning with actual chapter. So this basic has to be completed this week. This week already we have done in ABC class also. That lecture also you can see, and already you are attending this lecture also. So no problem. 2 time practice will happen. Nothing to worry. No problem. Yeah. So now we will start with rule number 1 of differentiation, already completed. Differentiation of x to the power n will be coming as nx to the power n minus 1. Crazy Sai is asking Sri Chaitanya Gosalites. Sri Chaitanya, yeah. It's Sri Gosalites. No problem. You should know. Crazy you are, but you don't know this small basic difference. Chalo bhai, no problem. No need of doing now all these things. Now we'll start with our rule number 2. So rule number 2, we'll talk about rule number 2, one of the most important and easiest rule, and this rule is the favorite rule of students also. This rule is the favorite rule of students. When we see different students, we ask which is your favorite rule. Undoubtedly, everyone says rule 2 is their favorite rule. So, एक बार देख लो what is rule number 2. No problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. In the last class, in rule number 1, we studied differentiation of x to the power n, which came nx to the power n minus 1. Now, rule number 2 says, if someone give you function y, if someone give you one function y, and he said this y function is constant, if this y is constant, this constant in physics we represent by c. Someone came and he said, okay, you know differentiation of x to the power n, but I am not giving you x to the power n differentiation. I am giving you a function which is a constant. Constant means it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 10, it can be 5, it can be 100. And he asked me to differentiate this y with respect to x. That means he asked me to differentiate this constant because y is a constant. That means he asked me to differentiate this constant c with respect to x. So rule number 2 says differentiation of constant c will come 0. Whenever you have any constant and if you are trying to differentiate that constant, differentiation of constant will always come a 0. This is our rule number 2. Rule number 2 says whenever you have any constant and you are trying to differentiate the constant, differentiation of constant will always come a 0. For example, someone give you y equal to, I will not give you any question, I will only tell you example because answer you already know. Answer will come 0. Someone says you, sir, if I give you y equal to 10 and if I ask you to differentiate this 10 with respect to x, this 10 with respect to x, so 10 is a constant, its differentiation will come 0. Differentiation of constant will always come 0. For example, someone came, he said, no sir, I am giving you y equal to 4 and I am asking you dy by dx. So dy by dx, again 4 is constant. So rule number 2 says differentiation of constant will be 0. So differentiation of 4 is a constant, its differentiation will be 0. Is it okay? Rule number 2 okay for everyone? Whenever you will have constant, differentiation of only constant, if only constant is present, its differentiation will be 0. And if you remember in the last class you studied, a differentiation is used to find rate of change of function, rate of change. But if you have any constant function, what will be its change? Constant means it will not change, so its change will be 0, so its rate of change will be also 0. That's why differentiation of constant will always come a 0. Is it okay? Rule number 2 okay bhai? If only constant is present, someone gave you 10, he asked you what is differentiation of 10? 0. Differentiation of 5? 0. Differentiation of 4? 0. So differentiation of constant will always come a 0. This is our rule number 2. No problem, no problem. No need of any question to practice for rule number 2. Because answer will come 0, constant you will find, constant differentiation will be always 0. Now we'll move towards, so this is how we talk about rule number 2. Once you can, I think everyone written rule number 2. Note slow writing done. Everyone has written rule number 2. We'll move towards rule number 3 bhai. Twarga. No problem. So writing done. So now let's move to rule number 3. And rule number 3 is little tricky. You have to be careful. Then only you'll be able to understand rule number 3. Otherwise, you'll get confused with rule number 2 and rule number 3. So rule number 3 will also have some constant. That's why, that's why you have to be extra careful when we will talk about rule number 3. And this rule number 3 will be used everywhere. Whenever you will do differentiation throughout 11 months journey of long term, everywhere rule number 3 will be used. So एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah, okay. What rule number 3 says? Rule number 3 says, if I have any function y and y is given as c into x to the power n, means one constant c is multiplied with x to the power n. Only constant is not there. If only constant is there, differentiation will come 0. But someone says, sir, if I have function y equal to c into x to the power n, means our constant c is multiplied with x to the power n. So if I am having any function y which is product of constant c and x to the power n. Okay, now अब यहाँ पे ध्यान दो, no problem. Yeah, Pranav is our old student. He's saying, sir, I am your old online. Okay, no problem. Yeah, एक बार देखो, हाँ. So constant. So what rule number 3 says? Rule number 3 says, whenever we have any function y equal to c into x to the power n, and if someone asks me to differentiate this y with respect to x, c here means constant. For example, you have y equal to 5x square, y equal to 10x cube, y equal to 100x to the power 4, and he asks you 100 is constant. So whenever you have any constant c multiplied with x to the power n, now how to differentiate it? We get with the help of rule number 3. So rule number 3 says, whenever you have to differentiate any function which is product of constant c and x to the power n. So differentiation of c x to the power n. Now he's asking me to find dy by dx. Means he's asking me to find what is y here. Y is your c into x to the power n into dx. So always remember, whenever constant c will be multiplied with x to the power n. So when you do differentiation, this constant c do not participate in differentiation. Your constant c do not participate in differentiation. You don't have to touch constant c. Constant c will remain as it is. Remain as it is means constant c you can take out of differentiation. So c will come out and ultimately you will differentiate x to the power n. And x to the power n differentiation you already know, n x to the power n minus 1. So this is what we do whenever constant c is multiplied with the function. And whenever you will do the differentiation, constant c will not participate in the differentiation. Constant c will remain as it is. Remaining thing you have to differentiate. So differentiation of c x to the power n will become c n x to the power n minus 1. For example, I will do one example. You will get more clarity. For example, someone came and he said, sir, I am giving you y equal to 5x square. And he asked me find dy by dx. Come on, remaining people can tell, those who understood rule number 3. Tell me what will be its differentiation. Tejashwani is saying, very good, 10x will come. Kya hai isme, sir? Sir, whenever you do differentiation, if only 5 is there, then differentiation will come 0. If only constant, kevalam constant, differentiation sunna. But here constant is multiplied with variable x to the power n. So when you do differentiation, constant c will not participate. Constant 5 constant will remain as it is. You don't have to touch the constant because now constant is multiplied with the variable. Wherever constant is multiplied with the variable, constant will remain as it is. Remaining thing will be differentiated. So x to the power 2 will be differentiated. You already know x to the power n differentiation is n x to the power n minus 1. Now from here it will become 5 into 2, 10. x to the power 1, which you can also write as 10x. Everyone understood bhai? समझे क्या? Most of the people already know. We have already done in detail in our ABC class also. No problem. But again, it's important thing. So again, we can do. No problem. Yeah. So come on, tell me what is differentiation of cx to the power n? Formula batao by rule number 3 batao. What is differentiation of cx to the power n? Jaldi se. What is differentiation of cx to the power n? Jaldi. Cx to the power n. लिख के बताओ. What is differentiation of cx to the power n? What is differentiation of cx to the power n? Cnx to the power n minus 1. Cnx to the power n minus 1. Cnx to the power n minus 1. Constant c will not participate. It will remain as it is. We will give respect to the constant. Constant will remain as it is. Remaining thing we will differentiate. So Cnx to the power n minus 1. Simple situation. And now I can give you some question also. Come on, you can do some question. Some questions for practice. Come on. You write. Find dy by dx. 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 Tejashwini has given answer for first. Benita also given for first. Arvind also first correct. Tejashwini second also given. Shravani first given. बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Benita second also given. बहुत बढ़िया. Arvind second also correct. Dikshit has given all three answers. बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Keep on doing your hard work. Lakshmi has given only answer for the first one. Come on, now these are easy differentiation. You can give answer for all three. Benita all three given. बहुत बढ़िया. Ashok first one given. Tejashwini given all three. बहुत बढ़िया. Virat Kohli only first second one also given. बहुत बढ़िया. Come on, Twarga bhai. So I think everyone will get, yeah. Lakshmi has given answer for second one, बहुत बढ़िया. 10x differentiation will become 10, no problem. Ruchita, all three answers given. All three answers now you can type, no problem. Ruchita has given all three answers, बहुत बढ़िया. Sai Shrikant given all three answers, बहुत बढ़िया. So I also feel everyone is getting. Typing is little tough because mathematical things you have to type. But most of the people are giving correct answer. No problem, yeah. Shravani, third one is wrong for you. So एक बार देख लो, no problem, yeah. I will simply say, sir, you want dy by dx. You want dy by dx. I am clearly seeing constant 3 is multiplied with x to the power 4. So when we do differentiation, 3 will remain as it is. And who will be ultimate? This is what I told. Whenever constant c is multiplied with the variable, constant c will not participate in the differentiation. So 3 will not participate. Don't touch 3. Remaining you can differentiate. So 3 will remain as it is. X to the power 4 differentiation will become 4. X to the power 4 minus 1. Now this will ultimately become 3 into 4, 12. X cube. 4 minus 1 will give you 3. Similarly, if anyone asks you here, find dy by dx. Again, when you do differentiation, what will happen when you do differentiation? 10x. 10 is the constant. 10 is constant multiplied with x. So 10 will not participate. X differentiation will be 1. Or if you are feeling problem, you can write 10x. X, you can write x to the power 1. Again, you can use x, n x to the power n minus 1. So this will become power is 1 here. So 1 x to the power 1 minus 1. This will become 10 into 1, 10. X to the power 0. Any number power 0 you already know 1. So this will become 10 into 1. That will give you 10. So this is how we'll get answer for second one. For third one, directly you cannot solve. We have done this type of situation in the last class also. I told you whenever x is present in denominator, bring it in numerator. You can write this as 4x to the power minus 2. Directly impossible. No one in this universe can differentiate directly from here. First he has to bring this x square in numerator. You have brought. Now you can do the differentiation. Now you simply say, sir, you want dy by dx. I will simply say again, 4 is the constant multiplied with variable x to the power minus 2. So 4 will not participate. Who will be ultimately differentiated? X to the power minus 2. So this is the form of x to the power n. So its differentiation will become n x to the power n minus 1. Now from here you can simplify, you will get your final answer. This will become 4 into minus 2 will give you minus 8, x to the power minus 2 minus 1 will give you minus 3. If you wish, you can bring this again in denominator, it will become minus 8 by x cube. How many of you got all these 3 correct? How many of you got all these 3 correct? I will see their name. Then only I will get to know how many of you are studying properly. Tejashwani, very good. Padmanabham, very good. Dikshit, very good. Lakshmi, very good. Harsha, Virat Kohli, Vinita, Spurti, Ruchita, Ashok, Arvind, Yashwant, Sai Srikant. Very good, yeah. Yashwant, okay, very good. No problem. I think everyone got, yeah. Sai Srikant, very good. No problem, yeah. So everyone got how to differentiate whenever constant C is. If constant C is alone only, then differentiation will be 0. Rahul, correct, no problem. If constant C is alone, differentiation 0. If constant C is multiplied with variable, then constant C will not participate in the differentiation. Variable will be differentiated, and you know how to differentiate that variable, x to the power n. Done by rule number 3 IPOND. Shall we move towards rule number 4? Shall we move towards rule number 4? No problem. Already done, we have done, but now again we are doing means something is important, that's why we are doing again. No problem, yeah. Now we'll move towards rule number 4. Thoda dhyan dena, be focused, yeah. Achha, till now up to rule number 3, we are only differentiating one function, x square, 3x cube, 5, 10. But if someone says, he said, sir, I am giving you one function where many functions are added. I am giving you x square plus 3x cube plus 4. Then how to differentiate? So that is known as rule number 4. So rule number 4, dekh lo bhai, rule number 4 we are going to talk. Again important rule number 4. And this rule number 4 is also known as rule of addition or subtraction. Whenever many functions are added or subtracted, then how to do differentiation. Yeah, many people are already knowing. Rule number 4 till now one function you took. But now someone says if many functions are added or many functions are subtracted, then how to do differentiation. That is our rule of addition or subtraction. So ek baar dekh lo, no problem, yeah. So someone says, and he said, sir, till now you have only differentiated one function now. But if I give you function y such that y is addition or subtraction of many function. Many function means y is u plus or minus v plus or minus w. And if I want to differentiate this y with respect to x. So now you have, yeah, okay, one by one differentiation we follow here, no problem. You have u also one function, you have v also one function, you have w also one function. You cannot differentiate all at once. So what we will do? We will do one by one differentiation. Sir, u is also there, v is just like bhojanam. You have noodles also, you have biryani also, you have ice cream also. How you will eat them? It's not like that all you will mix and eat. You will eat first noodle, then you will eat biryani, then you will eat ice cream. So one by one. Here also I cannot differentiate u, v, w at once. So kya karenge, sir? Kya karenge? First u is coming. So first we will differentiate u. If plus is there, we will put plus. If minus is there, we will put minus. First we will differentiate u. Then we will differentiate v. Then we will differentiate w. That's why we call this as 1/1 differentiation. ఒకటే టైంలో ఒకటే ఫంక్షన్ డిఫరెన్షియేట్ చేయండి. ప్లస్ ఉంది ప్లస్ పెట్టండి, మైనస్ ఉంది మైనస్ పెట్టండి. 1/1 differentiation. Whenever functions are added or subtracted, we always follow 1/1 differentiation. Is it okay? Is it okay? And I will do one example, then I will give you question. Is it okay भाई? कुछ बोल दिया करो, ऐसे silent मत रहो. Okay reply you can give like this. Okay, I am saying, you are also saying okay. What's that? Some style should be there in the life. Yeah, you can say yes sir, or you can send this symbol also, no problem. Yeah, sir. Very good, very good, very good, no problem. Yeah. For example, I will do one example, then I will give you one question. हाँ, डन सर, बहुत बढ़िया. Someone came, sorry sir, चलो, okay, no problem. Yeah. Someone, sir, okay, many functions are added, we will follow 1/1 differentiation. Someone came and he said, okay sir, let's do an example. So for example, someone came and he said, I am giving you one function y equal to x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4, and he asked me to do dy by dx. Someone gave me one function y equal to x square plus x cube plus x to the power 4, and he asked me to do differentiation. Point is, x square is also one function, x cube is also one function, x to the power 4 is also one function. I cannot differentiate all at once. So 1/1. First I will differentiate x square, then I will differentiate x cube, then I will differentiate x to the power 4. Since plus is there, I will put plus. So first, yeah, many people are giving answer also. बहुत बढ़िया, very good. You remembered how to do rule 1/1 differentiation. First, I will differentiate x square. So x square differentiation. This is in the form of x to the power n. So x to the power n differentiation will become n x to the power n minus 1. X to the power 3 differentiation, again n is 3. So 3x to the power 3 minus 1. Now x is 4, n is x to the power 4, n is 4. So 4x to the power 4 minus 1. And this will ultimately become 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube. Is it okay? समझे क्या? Everyone understood what is the meaning of 1/1 differentiation? Very good. Everyone give an answer also. बहुत बढ़िया. हाँ, very good, very good. So I think you understood, and now I can give some questions also. We'll do some questions from this differentiation, 1/1 differentiation. Come on, you can write. Come on. You can do some question. You can practice some question. You can write question. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. So 3 questions are there, simple questions. Many functions you can see in everyone, 2-3 functions are added. Tejashwini has given answer for first one. बहुत बढ़िया Tejashwini. Very good. 1/1 differentiation you learned how to do. Very good. Tomorrow you will use it in different chapters. Lakshmi, very good. Arvind, very good. Sai Srikant, very good. Tejashwini has given answer for second one also. Very good Tejashwini. Spurti, still first one you are giving. Come on, be fast. Third one is little lengthy, not tough. Third one is little lengthy. It's not tough. Sai Srikant has given answer for second one also. बहुत बढ़िया. Come on, Twarga bhai. Virat Kohli, first answer given. Okay, Virat. Tejashwini given answer for Third one mistake is there, Tejashwani. Minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 3 by 2 will come, because minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will give you minus 3 by 2. Third one mistake happened. You have to be careful. Dikshit has given all three answer. Very good, Dikshit. Bahut badhiya. Arvind has also given answer for third one. Bahut badhiya. NVK, all the answers correct. Bahut badhiya, NVK. Keep on doing work like this. This is how slowly you will become stronger. So I think everyone will get. I also don't have more time because we have to finish out this basic maths part this week. So let's see. And at the end, again, I will ask you how many of you got all correct. Dy by dx you want, sir. Sir, when I am observing, I am finding three different functions are added. I cannot differentiate all at once. So what I will do? What option I have left? One by one differentiation. So first I will differentiate x cube. X cube differentiation will become 3x square. Then I will differentiate x to the power 4. It will become 4x cube. 10 differentiation we already know, plus constant. 10 only present here. So 10 differentiation, constant differentiation will become 0. No need to write 0. So this is the answer for first one. Let's see the second one, sir. Let's see the second one. Dy by dx. No problem. Again, this is one function. This is one function. This is one function. This is one function. I cannot differentiate all at once. So I have to follow one by one differentiation. So first I will differentiate 3x square. When you differentiate 3x square, 3 will not participate. X square differentiation will become 2x plus. When you differentiate 4x cube, 4 will not participate. X cube differentiation will become 3x square plus. When you differentiate 2x, 2 will not participate. X differentiation will become 1. And 5 differentiation, you already know, constant differentiation will be 0. Now from here, if you arrange, we will get our final answer. This will finally give us 3 into 2, 6x plus 4 into 3, 12x square plus 2. So this is the answer for second one. Everyone has said, bahut badhiya. Harsha has said, Ruchita said, Binita said, everyone said. So teacher also know if you are doing mistake or not. I am feeling confident that you are able to do this first and second situation. Yeah, okay. Third situation is not tough, but third situation gets more chance to do silly mistake, because many of you send the answer for third one now. For first and second, I did not set for anyone. Virat Kohli, you said. Wow, Virat. From tomorrow, test match is starting. Prepare for that also. Yeah, okay. So point is, sir, y equal to, sir, this is also easy. But here, chance of making mistake is more because root is present. So first thing, you cannot differentiate like this. First thing, what I told you, whenever root is there, first convert the root into power. So this y will become root x means x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by again root x power 1 by 2. Still you cannot differentiate this directly. Still you have to bring this. This is okay. But for this you have to bring it in numerator. So ultimately your y will become x to the power 1 by 2 plus x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now you can do differentiation. Now you will say dy by dx. I will differentiate, sir. First 1 by 1 differentiation. Two functions are there, sir. I cannot differentiate both at once. So first I will differentiate this, then I will differentiate this. When I will differentiate x to the power 1 by 2, its differentiation will become n, because n is 1 by 2. So n x to the power n minus 1 plus, when I will differentiate this, it will become, when I will differentiate x to the power minus 1 by 2. Now power is minus 1 by 2. So its differentiation will become n is minus 1 by 2. So its differentiation will become n x to the power n. N is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1. Here many of you have done mistake. You have taken 1 by 2 minus 1. No, minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by, because power is minus 1 by 2. Now from here, if you arrange, this will ultimately become 1 by 2 x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 will give you minus 1 by 2, plus into minus will make minus 1 by 2 x to the power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 will give you minus 3 by 2. Now you can arrange it, you can bring again power negative down. This will become 1 by 2, you can take common also. 1 by 2 you can take common. This will become 1 by x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 by x to the power 3 by 2. Now from here, if you want, you can arrange, you can write this as under root. So this is how we'll get answer for third one. How many of you got all three correct? I think most of you done, but here some people did mistake. That's why I took more time to explain. Vaishnavi, very good. Padmanabham, very good. Arvind, very good. Shravani, very good. Binita, very good. Dikshit, very good. Rahul, very good. Harsha, very good. Virat Kohli, already correct. Very good, Virat. Come on. From tomorrow, test match is starting. Make century in that and make good marks in the NEET 2026. Yeah. Ruchita, very good. Vaishnavi, very good. Shrikant, very good. Virat Kohli saying, sure, sir. Yeah, okay. Tomorrow, maybe you cannot, even if you don't make century, okay. But in NEET 2026, you have to get good marks. That is the main target. No problem, no problem. Yeah, okay. From tomorrow, test match is starting now between India and England. So that's why Virat is very active. Very good. This is the activeness required. No problem. Yeah. So this is how we talk up to rule number 4. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. See all these rules. एक बार कॉपी में देख लो भाई. Rule number 1, rule number 2, rule number 3, rule number 4. अच्छा Virat presence in the team is not important. His presence itself is important. He will present around the team India. That is enough. People will get positive energy from him. Virat got retired. You see Virat Kohli saying, yeah, sir. Yeah. Good, Virat. Come on. Always remember, teachers will not go with you in the exam now. Is it like that? I will go with you and I will sit with you in the examination? No. But my presence while going, I will say all the best. That will help you. That will give you positive energy. Your parents' presence will give you, your teacher's presence will give you positive energy. So like that, Virat Kohli is already in London, where match is there. So that will give him that will give positivity to entire team India. Chalo, no problem, yeah. So Okasari, Nalgu rules, Nenu Chepandi, Okasari, check cheyandi. Tarvata will move to further rules, come on. Okasari complete, you can say done, sir. Once you will complete all the 4 rules, you can say done, sir. Vaishnavi surprise. Wow, sir, you know Telugu. Yeah, come on. I don't show that I know Telugu, but actually I know. Crazy Sai to kya pooch raha hai? Yeah, both are different, crazy. No problem, yeah. हाँ. Sri Chaitanya Gosalites, ये कौन सा हो गया? It's Sri Gosalites. No problem. चलो. Now we'll start moving further. Okays. No problem. Yeah. Okay. हाँ. So up to rule number 4 we done. Now rule number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 we will write directly. ध्यान दो. Be focused. Yeah. Okay. Till now all the differentiation you did na. Those differentiation were differentiation of algebraic function. If you remember from class 7, 8, you studied algebra. Algebra means x square, x cube, quadratic equation. All these are known as algebra. So till now, whatever the differentiation you learned, that was differentiation of algebraic function. But you know, function can be trigonometric also na. Function can be exponential also na. Function can be log function also na. So remaining rules will deal with them. Sir, algebraic function differentiation I know, sir. X to the power n differentiation I know. Many functions there. I know how to do differentiation. But someone said, sir, if I have trigonometric function in the given question, then what to do? Then you have to remember the remaining rule. Remaining rules will deal with other functions which we get used in physics, which we get used in maths. So that's why we will start with rule number 5, 6, 7, 8. Directly we will start at these values you have to remember. So rule number 5 says, sir, algebraic, okay, x square, x cube, x to the power 100, x to the power 200, okay, sir. But someone says if some other functions are given, like trigonometric functions are given. For example, someone came and he said, sir, I'm not giving you x square, I'm not giving you x cube, I'm giving you my function y, which is sine x. And he is asking me to differentiate this sine x. Can you tell me what is differentiation of sine x? Many of you already know. So rule number 5 deal with trigonometric ratio. Rule number 5 differentiation. If you have sine x, then differentiation of sine x will come cos x. You have to remember. You cannot ask me why. If you want to ask why, ask from Newton. He discovered and he said sine x differentiation will be cos x. Similarly, someone said, sir, if I have y equal to other trigonometric ratio, this is sine function. Other trigonometric function is cos function. If I have y equal to cos x and someone asks me to find dy by dx, so then differentiation of cos x will be coming as minus sine x. Thoda yahan pe people do mistake. Remember it properly. Students do mistake. They remember sine x differentiation, cos x differentiation, sine x. Wrong. Cos x differentiation is not sine x. It's minus sine x. So one difference is there. Sine x differentiation, cos x. But cos x differentiation is not sine x. It is minus sine x. So be careful. No problem, yeah. Next trigonometric function is tan x, which is not generally used, but you should know, okay. So if anyone give me tan x and he asks me to differentiate tan x differentiation will come sec square x. Tan x differentiation will come sec square x. So these are the three trigonometric ratios, trigonometric function whose differentiation you have to remember. Sin x differentiation cos x differentiation minus sin x, tan x differentiation sec square x. Now next is another type of function. Someone came, okay sir, trigonometric function I got. But someone came and he said, if I give you y equal to e to the power x. First thing you tell me which type of function. These are trigonometric function. But y equal to e to the power x is which type of function? Y equal to e to the power x is which type of function? Exponential function. This will be used in many places in physics. Yeah. This is known as exponential function. These are trigonometric function. This is exponential function. So always remember, whenever you have any exponential function, if someone give you y equal to e to the power x and he asks you to find dy by dx. So always remember, the way you have noble gases in chemistry now, they don't react to anyone now. In the similar manner, e to the power x is a noble function in physics. It do not react to differentiation. It do not react to integration. So if you have exponential function y equal to e to the power x, its differentiation will also come e to the power x. No change is going to happen. The way you have noble gases in chemistry now, in the similar manner you have noble function in physics. That noble function is exponential function whose differentiation will not change. E to the power x differentiation will remain as e to the power x. And here e, what is e? E is known as exponential. E is known as exponential. The way you have one quantity, this, which we call as pi, whose value is 3.14. In the similar manner, this e is known as exponential. Its value is around 2.7. Around 2.7. So e is also a number, constant number 2.7. Pi is also a constant number 3.14. So this is our rule number 8. Exponential differentiation will remain as it is. It will not react to differentiation. It will not react to integration. Same thing will happen. Rule number 9 says, if you have another function, trigonometric function, trigonometric function, trigonometric function, exponential function, now new function. New function is your log function. If you have logarithmic function, which we also call as ln x. Log x is also known as ln x. And if anyone asks you to differentiate this log function, so differentiation of log x will come 1 by x. So these are rule number, log x different. You will study about this log function detail in chemistry. In chemistry, ionic equilibrium, Pansar will teach you in detail, no problem here. So right now you have to only remember log x differentiation will come 1 by x. So these are the these are the five other rules. Rule number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Once you can see these rules, come on. Then we will practice some question from these rules. Only one place a student do mistake. Sin x differentiation cos x differentiation sin x, wrong. Cos x differentiation will be minus sin x. E to the power x parvaledu. Noble, just like MSD, parvaledu. Team is winning or losing, parvaledu, same facial expression. No change happened. Like that only e to the power x. Noble function in physics. E to the power x differentiation will remain e to the power x. Integration will also remain e to the power x. Yeah, in app, online class will continue. No problem. Everyone written? Everyone written? Come on. Writing done. Ruchita is saying done, sir. Rahul is saying done, sir. Arvind is saying done, sir. So come on, I will have a very fast rapid fire. We'll have very fast rapid fire. I will ask you all this differentiation, not in sequence, not in sequence. I will jumble the sequence and I will ask. Let's see whether you are able to give answer or not. Come on. Tell me what is differentiation of sin x? What is differentiation of sin x? Sin x differentiation. त्वरगा भाई, sin x differentiation जल्दी टाइप करो, लगना चाहिए. Sin x differentiation cos x. Sin x differentiation cos x. Sin x differentiation cos x. E to the power x differentiation. E to the power x differentiation. त्वरगा. E to the power x differentiation. E to the power x differentiation. Jaldi, e to the power x differentiation, e to the power x. It's a noble gas of physics. E to the power x differentiation will remain as e to the power x. Noble. Log x differentiation, twarga. Log x differentiation, twarga bhai. Log x differentiation. Log x differentiation, 1 by x, 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 1 by x. Log x. Acha, cos x differentiation. Cos x differentiation. Cos x differentiation. Sin x. Cos x differentiation minus sin x. You have to be careful. You see, Vaishu is saying sin x. अब पागल हो गए हो क्या? अभी बताया था sin x differentiation cos x, but cos x is not sin x. Cos x is minus sin x. You have to remember like that. Difference is there for sin and cos. No problem, no problem. अच्छा, tan x differentiation, tan x differentiation, tan x differentiation. Sec square x. This is rarely used. This will not be used. But sine, cos, e to the power x, log x will be used. No problem. So I think everyone remembered. And now I can give you some question also. Now I can give you some question also. You write, come on. You write. Find dy by dx. 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 Shrikant has given answer for first one. All three you can do and you can give answer. Easy only. All three you can do. Parvaledu. Sai Shrikant has given acha. 2 answers given. Arvind has given all 3 answers. Bahut badhiya Arvind. Your speed is good. Dikshit, very good. Manchi girl. Very good. Girl or boy, I don't know. Arvind is boy. Yeah. Manchi boy. Come on, Twarka bhai, only 2 people have given answer. Padmanavam, done. Shortly he said done, sir. Rangama, second one answer given, bahut badhiya. Shravani still on the first one only. Easy only. These are easy differentiation. Sai Srikant given answer for third one also. Very good, Sai. Shravani has given answer for second one. Yashwant has given answer for first one. Ruchita given all 3. Very good, Ruchita. Yashwant second one given. Rahul has said done, sir. Very easy. Differentiation is easy. But you have to remember the rules. With time, people forget. That's why they feel difficulty or they don't know meaning of differentiation. Otherwise, it's easy. Vaishnavi, very good. Nirmala, Jyoti, very good. Shravani, very good. Vinita, very good. I think everyone is getting no problem. Kya hai, sir? If I remember the rule, I'll be able to get dy by dx will become, sir. X cube differentiation we already know. Again, one by one differentiation. You can see. X cube, e to the power x are two different functions and they are added. Again, one by one differentiation. First, I will differentiate x cube. It will become 3x square. Plus, I will differentiate e to the power x. E to the power x differentiation will remain as e to the power x. No change. Second situation, again you want sir dy by dx. Dy by dx, again two functions are there. One is sine function, one is cos function. Both functions are added. I cannot differentiate at once. So one by one. First I will differentiate sine x. Sine x differentiation you already know, cos x, plus cos x differentiation you already know, minus sine x. So from here, if you arrange this, will ultimately become cos x minus sine x. No problem. Sir, third one again easy. Again you want differentiation dy by dx. So dy by dx will become three functions are added. First I will differentiate log x. Log x differentiation will become 1 by x plus. When you differentiate 3e to the power x, 3 will not participate because you already know constant multiplied never participate. 3 will remain as it is. E to the power x differentiation will become e to the power x only, plus differentiation of 4, which is 0. So this will ultimately become 1 by x plus 3 into e to the power x. How many of you got all three correct? Very good. Homo sapien also give an answer. Ashok also given but taken back. Padmanavam correct, very good. Srikant very good. Shravani very good. Vinita very good. Vaishnavi very good. Arvind very good. Dikshit very good. Spurti very good. Rahul very good. Virat Kohli you will get. Parwale, just keep on doing your hard work. Harsha very good. Nirmala Jyoti very good. Ashok very good. So I think everyone has got all these answers. Everyone has done all these situations. So up to rule number 9 we have completed. Up to rule number 9 we have completed. I'm giving you time of 2 seconds. एक बार देख लो, see all the rules up to 9, then we'll move further. Then we'll talk about some more rule. Some last rules of differentiation we will talk. तो एक बार देख लो, see up to rule number 9. In your main notes, see all the things which we have done till now for today class. And once you will complete, you can say done, sir. Then we will move towards other rule. Padmanavam is already knowing. एक बार देख लो. And I know once I will say done, sir, you will start saying done, sir. Opika le do. No problem, no problem. Why to have Opika, sir? We are here to become doctor in the NEET 2026. So till that time, we will not have any Opika. We will have only hunger to become doctor, only zeal to become doctor. Yeah, I know most of you have listened ABC class. No problem. Yeah. Okay, for them it's revision. No problem. Yeah, okay. Now we'll move towards rule number 10. थोड़ा ध्यान देना, थोड़ा tough. Rule number 10, 11 and 12, 3 rules will come. These rules are considered to be tough rule. Tough rule, why? Because they're also not every time used. They are used, Dikshit, very good, yeah. These are used in some of the rare of rarest situation. In some of the rare situation, whenever it will come in different chapter, there only you have to use. Otherwise, your entire physics will depend only up to rule number 9. But will not stop at rule number 9. Some questions will be there which will require rarest rule number 10, 11 and 12. So थोड़ा ध्यान देना. We will talk about rule number 10. Rule number 10. थोड़ा ध्यान देना, because I also know once I tell rule number 10, students feel little difficulty. So that's why I'm making you alert in the beginning only. तो थोड़ा ध्यान देना, yeah. Till now when you studied rule number 4 you studied addition or subtraction of two different functions. Whenever two different functions are added or subtracted, how to do differentiation, you studied in rule number 4. But after addition subtraction, you also study multiplication now. So someone said, sir, if I give you two functions and those two functions are added, then I will use rule number 4. But someone came and said, I'm giving you two functions, these two functions are multiplied, or these two functions are in product form. Then how to differentiate? So whenever two functions, two different functions, I'm not saying x square into x cube. I'm talking about two different functions. One is algebraic, other is trigonometric. One is exponential, other is trigonometric. If two functions are multiplied or they are in product, that's why this rule is known as product rule, or we call it also as multiplication rule. Product rule or multiplication rule. And what this product rule says, thoda dhyan dena bhai, dhyan dena, otherwise you will not be able to understand. That's why I'm asking you to be extra focused. Thoda dhyan dena, yeah. Product rule says, sir, addition rule done, subtraction rule done, rule number 4. But someone says, sir, if someone came and he gave me y as a function and y is present in such a manner, that is, it is product of two different functions. Y is given as u into v. U is one type of function, v is another type of function. Someone came, if someone give you u plus v, no problem. But now they are saying u into v. They are giving you product of two functions. Someone came and he said, I am giving you a function y such that y is product of u and v, y is uv. And he asked me to differentiate this y with respect to x. That means he asked me to differentiate u into v with respect to x. So what product rule says? Thoda dhyan do, be focused. You have to remember this product rule. Product rule says you have u and v, both are, if both are added, then I will differentiate u, then I will differentiate v, I will add them, I will get the answer. But now u and v are multiplied. So how to do multiplication? When two functions are multiplied, then how to do differentiation? That is our product rule. So product rule says if you differentiate this u into v, you cannot differentiate both at once. So again you have to do one by one difference. Out of u and v, one you will differentiate, other you will leave. What I will do, sir, u and v both are there. Can I differentiate u and v together? No. So what is the option left? U and v I have to differentiate. So what I will do? Out of u and v, one I will leave. U I will leave. V I will differentiate. Plus reverse I will do. Here I have left u, differentiated v. Now I will leave v and I will differentiate u. This is your product rule. Kuch samjhe kya? You can write this product rule first. Then again I will tell. Again I will tell. No problem, yeah. So UV both are there. Why here product is coming here also? Because they are multiplied. That's why here also we are getting product of u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. Written, sir, no problem. I will do one question also, will get 100% clarity. There is no problem in that. So dhyan. But you have to remember this. You have to remember this. Ek baar sun lo, fir se sun lo. Sir, y is given as product of u and v. I need to differentiate u into v. I cannot differentiate u and v together. So what I will do? U is also there, v is also there, and both are present together. In addition, they are present separately. Here both are present together. So what I will do? One I will differentiate, other I will leave. Then I will replace reverse of that. I will leave u, I will differentiate v. Plus, previously I have differentiated v na, left u na. Now I will leave v and I will differentiate u. This is your product rule. समझे क्या? समझ में आया? समझ में आया? समझे क्या? No problem, no problem. Everyone understood? Otherwise, you have to remember. Otherwise, you have to remember this rule. Yeah, okay, no problem, no problem. Yeah, okay, huh. So u and v both we cannot decide. u into v, u and v both are together. Sir कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करो? तो क्या करोगे? एक को छोड़ो, दूसरे को डिफरेंशिएट करो. Then जिसको छोड़ा था उसको डिफरेंशिएट करो, जिसको डिफरेंशिएट किया था उसको छोड़ दो. That's it. u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. For example, एक बार देख लो. One example I will do, then I will give you two questions from here. एक बार देख लो. No problem. Yeah. Okay. For example, someone came and he said, sir, I am giving you y equal to x square into sin x. And he asked me find dy by dx. Someone came and he gave me x square into sin x, and he asked me if he give me x square plus sin x. That is the easiest. But now they have given me x square into sin x, and he asked me to do differentiation. First thing, both are two different function now. Many people, those who have attended ABC class, they also know. If you see here, एक बार देख लो, फिर से देख लो. If you see here, you will simply say, sir, here x square is also one function, algebraic function. Sin x is also one function, trigonometric function. Now, two different functions are multiplied. I cannot differentiate them directly. This is a product rule. This is product of two different functions. So, I have to follow product rule. And what product rule says? Both are there. You cannot differentiate both at once. So, out of them, one leave, other differentiate. Then, so what I will do? I will simply say, sir, x square also there, sin x also there. So I cannot differentiate both at once. So क्या करेंगे? One I will differentiate, other I will leave. For example, I will leave x square and sin x I will differentiate. It will become cos x plus. Previously I left x square now. Now I will differentiate x square. That will be 2x. And previously I differentiated sin x now. Now I will leave sin x. So this is the final result which will get x square cos x plus 2x into sin x. समझे क्या? Everyone understood? Is there anyone in the in this class who did not understand? I think everyone will understood. क्या है sir? If you don't understand, then you have to assume. Sir, okay. If you don't understand, then you assume. This is my x square into sin x. So this is my u, this is my v. Then write the formula and then put in the formula, you will get. Other way to do, sir, with the help of formula, how to do, sir? I am not able to understand this. Then what you will do? Out of them, assume one as u, one as v. Then put in the formula. See what will come. dy by dx. So it will become u. What is u? You assumed x square. dv by dx. What is v? Sin x. So dv by dx will become cos x plus v. What is v? Sin x. Into du by dx. What is u? U is x square. So what is differentiation of x square? 2x. Same answer will come. If you don't understand, then you have to, 3 terms not possible. 3 terms will not come. Harsha is saying, sir, if u into v into w is there, then you will become MPC student. Okay, Harsha? For MPC also we don't have. Because I was MPC student, we have only 2 products are only there. Yeah. Okay, he's saying, sir, if 3 are there, that will not happen. Don't worry. So I think everyone understood. I can give you some questions. Chalo bhai, ek question bana ke dekha. Yeah, Crazy Sai, now you have asked a good question. Gosalites app class will continue up to till last day. Chalo, no problem. Again, you can do some question. You can write. Crazy Sai, you are not giving answer for any question. You are just asking this type of doubts. कैसे बच्चे हो भाई, थोड़ा seriously होके पढ़ाई करो. Crazy Sai, he's asking all this type of doubts. Counseling them. Give answer also. Okay. So come on, you can do some question. Right. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. 2-3 questions we will do. Find dy by dx. And y is given as, these are rarely used differentiations. Not very common. Don't think in every chapter this type of differentiation will come. Chalo, crazy Sai, you also have to give answer. It will take little time, all these three questions. जल्दी से बता दो भाई. I'm waiting for the first answer. Binita has given first answer. Binita, I'm feeling little doubt in your answer. Arvind given all three answers. Very good, Arvind. Shrikant has given answer for. Shrikant, थोड़ा check करो. First one is correct. Little typing mistake is there, but okay. Dikshit given all answers. Little tough to type. I can also feel, yeah, because you have to type x square x cube e to the power x. That's tough to type, but okay. Crazy Sai given answer. क्या दे दिया Crazy Sai? 3x square दे दिया. सुन नहीं रहा है class. Shravani given answer for first one. बहुत बढ़िया Shravani. Very good. This is how you learn slowly, slowly. Very good. Vaishnavi given answer for first one. Very good. Vinita given answer for second one. Very good, Vinita. Crazy Sai थोड़ा सा सही से करो. Ruchita given all three answers. Very good, very good. Vinita has given answer for third one also. Very good, Vinita. Vaishnavi, very good. Padnamavan is saying all done, sir. Feeling lazy to type, sir. So all done. I know typing is tough. No problem. Yeah. Shravani has given answer for second one also. Okay, no problem. Let's see. I think time here. My purpose is it should not be like that. I am giving and I am solving. I should give you time to solve. You have to do the practice. That's why I'm giving time. Otherwise, I think everyone got no problem. Yeah. So in first one, they are asking you dy by dx. Again, you will say, एक बार देख लो भाई, if anyone is there who is not understanding, एक बार देख ले, sir, why you are using product rule? Because these are two different functions. One is algebra, one is exponential. Product of two different functions means we have to follow product rule. Product rule says you and we both are there. Both you cannot differentiate at once. So एक को differentiate करो, दूसरे को छोड़ो. Here x cube into e to the power x cube I will leave. E to the power x I will differentiate, which will remain as e to the power x. Plus reverse. Here I left x cube. Now I will differentiate x cube. It will become 3x square. Previously I differentiated e to the power x. Now I leave e to the power x. So this is our answer for first one. If you wish, you can take common to make it appear good. X square into e to the power x you can take common. Here left will become x and here left will become 3. In order to make it appear good, we can take common, no problem. Yeah. Next one, dy by dx. So now we have sin x into cos x. Two different trigonometric functions are multiplied. That means I cannot differentiate them directly. I have to follow product rule. First, what I will do out of sin x, cos x, one I will leave. Sin x I will leave. Cos x I will differentiate. It will become minus sin x. Plus, previously I left sin x. Now I will differentiate sin x. It will become cos x. Previously I differentiated cos x. Now I leave cos x. So this will finally become, this minus will come here, so minus sin x into sin x will become sin square x, plus cos x into cos x will become cos square x. This is the answer for second one. I think everyone has got no problem. Let's talk about third one, dy by dx, again same thing. I am getting bored of doing the same thing by, sir क्या होगा x to the power 4 log x, two different functions are multiplied, क्या करूं, x to the power 4 को छोड़ log x को differentiate कर, plus x to the power 4 को differentiate कर, log x को छोड़, हो गया. This is the answer by, you can cancel one x. So here you will get x cube plus 4x cube into log x. If you wish, you can take x cube common. It will become 1 plus 4 log x. How many of you got all three correct? Padmanabhan got very good. Kirtini got very good. Shrikant got very good. Arvind got very good. Dikshit got very good. Binita got very good. Shravani got very good. Spurti Banatu got very good. Virat Kohli got very good. You can also talk with MPC student. Now you'll be able to do their differentiation also. You have done some of the tough situations of differentiation. Harsha also got, Virat Kohli also got, very good. Rahul also got. So this is how we talk about rule number 10, which was our product rule. I'm giving you time of 1 second. एक बार देख लो product rule, एक बार फिर से देखो. We'll move towards division rule. Now you are strong enough in differentiation to do some of the basic part of MPC student also. You became that much strong now. After doing all this, you became that much strong. Padmanabh, very good. Once you can see all this thing, if you are okay, you can say done sir, we'll do division rule, which is still more complicated. Virat Kohli said done sir. Virita said done sir. Shravani done sir. क्या है sir, समझ गए, खत्म, टाटा, bye bye. कितना आसान है. Now we'll move towards rule number 11. We'll move towards our next rule, which is very rare. Rare of rarest. Rare of rarest will be used rule number 11. Rule number 11. We'll talk about rule number 11. Till now you talk about multiplication of two functions, sir, or product of two functions. But if someone says, if I have division of two functions, that's why rule number 11 is known as division rule. Rule number 10 was product rule. Rule number 11 is division rule. You studied addition subtraction rule, rule number 4. You studied multiplication rule, rule number 10. Now we are going to move towards division rule. That is rule number 11. तो एक बार देख लो, no problem, yeah. Okay, Again complicated, yeah. So division rule says, थोड़ा ध्यान देना, then only you'll be able to understand. Those who attended ABC class, they will get the idea. But those who are new, for them, it will be little tricky. तो थोड़ा ध्यान देना, yeah. So what division rule says? Division rule says someone came and he gave in you two different functions. ध्यान दो. You will not apply division rule for x square by x cube. X square by x cube, don't apply division rule. Division rule will be used for two different functions. For example, someone came and he said, I am giving you y equal to u by v. Such that u and v are two different functions. One is trigonometric, other is exponential. One is trigonometric, other is algebraic. So someone came and he gave y equal to u by v. Two different functions he gave, and he said both of these two functions are divided. That means we have to follow division rule. And division rule says whenever you have two different functions u and v which are divided, and if you are trying to differentiate them, that means you are trying to differentiate u by v, then rule for its differentiation will become, first denominator will come here. This rule will become v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. V du. What is V? V is your denominator. U is your numerator. This is the division rule which you have to remember. This is how we can get our division rule. Little more lengthy rule. I am also agreeing. That's why it is not used. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Is it okay? Writing itself is tough. Then I will do one question. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. I am also agreeing. Not easy rule. Very tough to remember also, but okay. Everyone written भाई जल्दी से बता दो. U by V differentiation division rule. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. V du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah, no problem, no problem, no problem. So this is our division rule. And one question I will do for example, and next question I will give for you to do. No need to do many questions from here because this is not important. This is very lengthy. No one asks you. But I will do one question. For example, someone says, he said, sir, I am giving you y equal to x square by sine x. Just now you saw one question where I give you y equal to x square into sine x. But now I am giving y equal to x square by sine x. And he asked me to find dy by dx. He asked me to find dy by dx. एक बार देख लो भाई, एक बार देख लो. Here you have to be extra careful. Otherwise you will not get the answer. थोड़ा ध्यान दो. Someone came and he said, I'm giving you y equal to x square by sine x, and he asked me dy by dx. First thing will go in my mind. Sir, x square is one function, which is u. Sine x is another function, which is v. And we have u by v form. So write the formula for u by v form. Directly don't differentiate here. Because here if you do differentiation directly, you may make mistake. So better write this is numerator u, this is denominator v. Now this is u by v form. So पहले formula लिख लो. v du by dx minus u dv by dx by v square. Now put the value. Now put the value. First write the formula, then put the value. Sir, what is v du by dx? What is v, sir? Sin x. So in place of v, put sin x into du by dx. What is u, sir? X square. But we want du by dx. So what will be du by dx? U is x square. So what is differentiation of x square? It will become 2x minus u. What is u, sir? X square. dv by dx. dv by dx. What is v, sir? Sin x. You want dv by dx. So what is the differentiation of sin x? It will become cos x by v square. What is v sin x? So sin x whole square. This is our answer. Kirti has said the answer. Vinita has said the answer. Very good. Arvind has also given the answer. They remembered the rule. That's why they got. Everyone, those who will remember, they will get. Is it okay, bhai? Is it okay? A question do main? Shall I give you one question? No problem. Easy. Not very tough. But here you have to remember. Here you have to remember the rule, then only you can do. So एक क्वेश्चन दे देता हूं. चलो भाई एक क्वेश्चन दे देता हूं. No problem, no problem, no problem. Yeah. Okay. I'm giving you y equal to sin x by e to the power x. You have to find dy by dx. First assume this is u, sir, this is v, sir, then write the formula, then put the value by, then only you'll get the answer. Here without formula directly you'll never get the answer. Arvind is saying correct answer. Very good, Arvind. Padmanavam Sura, you are directly always saying done, sir. Hey. कुछ तो आंसर में टाइप कर दो भाई. Time is not there. I will also do V. So this is my V. So just once you write the formula, just you have to put. You will be like machine. Just put the value. What is V, sir? E to the power x. So e to the power x. Du by dx. What is u, sir? Sin x. So du by dx will become cos x minus u. What is u? Sin x. Into dv by dx. What is dv by dx? What is v, sir? E to the power x. So dv by dx, e to the power x differentiation will remain as e to the power x by v square. V square is what? E to the power x whole square. हो गया, done. Done भाई, done. Done. If you want, you can further simplify also, because here also e to the power x coming, here also e to the power x coming, here e to the power x to the power 2 coming. So 1 e to the power x you can take common, you can cancel from here. This will ultimately become cos x minus sin x by e to the power x. This is the answer that will come after simplification. Acha, really doing very good. So this is how we have talked about all these rules of differentiation. One more last rule is left, which we'll do in the next class, and we will complete integration also there. Is it okay? Is it okay? Done? So this is how we have talked about, almost we have completed differentiation. Remaining things we will do in the next class. And if you have decided to work for becoming doctor again, start working sincerely. Always remember, you have to show your face to your parents also. Don't let them in agony. Don't let them in pain every time. In some of the places, you have to make them proud. You have to make them happy. And they will be happy only when you will get selected in the NEET 2026. And you will get selected in the NEET 2026 only when you work in a dedicated manner. So start working. If you want to come offline, come fast, because you'll take 4-5 days minimum to settle down. When main track is going on, at that time settling down timing you will not get. You'll not get settling time of 3-4 days. In 3-4 days, so many things will be completed, because four subjects are going on. So that's why if you decided, no, sir, I will remain online, good. Study sincerely on online. But if you have mind, sir, I will go to offline, but I will go after 10 days, 5, no. अरे डिसाइड कर लिया, पढ़ाई करना है, जाना है कैंपस में, खत्म. अरविंद, वेरी गुड. जाना है कैंपस में, खत्म. जाके स्टार्ट करो ना, जाके स्टार्ट करो ना. Why to wait for anything? So if you have decided, then come fast, settle down, start studying. Settle down and start studying. This is how we have talked about more situation. Bye, 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 bye. Tata, bye, bye. Take care. Bye. Yes, bye.